Hello everyone, how you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about overheating. Yeah, that is something which we all suffer from. iPhone users and overheating. Come on, we all have been there. We always are there actually. I am going to talk about iPhone overheating in general. Particularly, we are going to focus on older iPhones because iPhones in general heat up a lot, but older iPhones I think 99% of the time they are heated up. I have an iPhone 12 with me. I do use it on iOS 26 right now. Now, before you guys say that, come on, you can't complain so much using an iPhone 12. That's such an old device, and that too on a beta version. Yeah, I know everything, but I have used this device as my primary device as well, not on a beta, on a public version as well, and I am giving you what I have experienced. I don't talk numbers, I talk practical, real life experiences. When I tell you what to do, what not to do, I tell that based on my experience, not on something written online or anything like that. Let's get right into today's video and talk about how to fix overheating and is there any fix for overheating. And we are also going to talk about the thing which a lot of you guys do, putting your phone in freezer or using a ice pack to cool your phone. Is it safe? You should do it or not? So we are going to talk about everything. Let's get right into today's video and talk about it. So first of all, we are going to talk about how to fix overheating, or is there any fix for it or not. Overheating is a very normal thing. Like, fixing it is something you can do, but at the same time you can't really avoid overheating. See, how does it happen? Your phone, it does not have any fans. When you use a Intel Mac or Intel laptop in general, you have noticed that the fans are on 24/7 because it heats up a lot. But on phones, it does not happen because your phone does not have any way to just dissipate the heat and any place for heat to just go away. So it uses some cool tech in software to throttle the performance and then make sure that phone is performing enough for you to use it for your daily task and at the same time not heating too much. But of course, as your phone gets older and older, it will eventually get more heated up and things will start to get a bit more messy, and it is getting messy for all of old iPhones. You can do and follow some tricks to avoid heating up. First of all, try to not use your device when it is heated up because it gets cold real quick when you are not using it. That's like very normal thing which you can do. And still, if you want to use it, try to not use your phone on high brightness in general. First of all, it will not just have high brightness when it is heated up. You have probably noticed that. But try to keep the brightness as low as possible and make sure that your cellular data is off and use Wi-Fi if possible. And please do not keep your phones in your freezer. Just don't. I know you have done this before. I know you do this a lot as well, but don't. Just avoid doing that because it is not good for your phone. You probably are thinking right now that what is he saying? I have been doing this for years. I have been doing this for a long time. My phone is just fine and it works and just gets cold immediately. But trust me, it is not good habit. You should not do that. Your phone might die any time if you continue this habit, and then you'll just be there sitting and imagining what happened to your device, and you will have zero clue that this has been happening for a long time. You put your device in freezer and eventually the moisture plays a lot with the phone and just make sure that you are all screwed up. So don't do that. Using a ice pack, I would still say no, but maybe to a certain extent. If you keep the ice pack behind your phone and make sure that when it is getting warmer, the water which comes out from the ice does not get in contact with your phone. So yeah, you can use it, but I would still not really recommend that. You can definitely use your air conditioners cool air to cool your device if you really want to do that. But you have been doing these things for a long time, I know, but I am here just to tell you what not to do. You can do these things, just don't put your phone in a freezer. And when you are using your device in front of an AC to cool it down, make sure the distance between the phone and the AC is enough for it to cool down, but at the same time don't put it right in the face of the air conditioner. Then this is also a myth that updating your phone will make your battery health go down and it will heat your device more. Heating an update does not play a major role. Trust me, I'm pretty sure most of you guys are just not believing me right now, but you can just look up and search on internet. Usually updates do not play a big role in heating your device. Sometimes they definitely do, but most of the time, like if I talk in example, last time an update impacted phone's battery and in general overheating, when this happened last was 2 years back. Exactly. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this quick, fun little episode. Do let me know down in comments below. We can have a conversation in comments. And other than that, I will be coming up with a video where I will be replying to the most liked comments in this video. If you are willing to send me personal messages, I'm very happy to answer you on a video and on personal DMs as well. Peace out. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and I will catch you guys in the very next episode.